Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to book flight tickets with Skyscanner. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Skyscanner app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account, because without logging into your account you won't be able to purchase flight tickets or any other options. Now in order to book flight tickets, what you need to do is just simply tap on this flights option right here. And now once you tap on the flights option here, you'll be given a bunch of options, like you can select the ticket for return or for one way, or you can select the multi-city options as well. Now once you select the option, let me just select return. You can select the date as well. Simply tap on the date and select the date when you want to board, and then if you want to return, then you can add your return date as well by simply tapping on the return and then selecting the date. Or if you don't want to return, or you only want one-way ticket, simply tap on this X button right beside the return and then tap on done, and here you'll have your one-way ticket. And here you will have an option for the traveler. You can select the passengers quantity as well, numbers as well. Like if you are traveling 2 adults, then simply tap on 2 plus button to increase the number. If you have children, select the number of the children, or infants, and do the same for the infants, and then tap on done. And once you do that, you can also select the economic class or cabin class as well. Either you can select from economic class, premium economic class, business class, or first class. And then once you are selected, tap on done. And here, once you have done with that, all you gotta do is select the city from where you are flying. Let me just select this one, and here select the destination where you want to reach as well. Here let me just select Sydney. Here you'll be able to see the flights with their respective time and their respective price for the passengers that you have selected. Now all you gotta do is just simply select a package, and now here what you need to do is book your ticket. And here you'll be given options like My Trip, Cathay Pacific, Trip.com, or tickets. Simply all you gotta do is go to the site, and once you do that, here you'll be redirected to the page. And now all you gotta do is just go there and then confirm your purchase of the ticket, and you'll book the ticket. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.